Don't post yet. Are you eager to start creating content, posting and growing your online presence? I know you want to reach the right audience, increase engagement and build a strong brand. But hold on, before you start posting, make sure you set yourself up for success. Watch this video, learn how to create, optimize and claim your social media platform. Don't waste another time. Let's start now. Hi, my name is Kevin and this is M.O.A.C.C. Finally, we are in Module 2, which is setting up and optimizing social media profile. Now in this module, we'll be teaching a lot of stuff. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. Alright, definition of optimizing social media profile. Optimizing social media profile involves enhancing every aspect of your profile to ensure it's visual appealing, professional, informative and aligned with your brand goals. The purpose is to attract followers, increase engagement, improve discoverability and build trust with your audience. This includes using high quality visual, writing clear descriptions and incorporating relevant keyword. Now if you check M.O.A.C.C, whenever you check the title, you change the description. Whenever I'm posting on YouTube, you see that my write-up description aligns with what I am posting, also align with the value and the core nature of M.O.A.C.C as a team. Now the main essence is to do what? Make sure that you increase your visual appealing build up. Make sure it's professional. Make sure the information around all social media that you have created is aligning with your brand goals. Make sure it attracts followers. Make sure it increases engagement. Make sure it improves discoverability. Make sure it improves the way people see about you. Make sure it improves the trust your audience have about you. Now we'll be talking about creating and claiming social media profile. Now, what is creating of profile? This step involves setting social media account on profiles such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other stuff like that. Businesses must ensure that their brand name is consistent across platforms. Now, I've noticed most wrong moves newbies always do. They come to Facebook and they create a Facebook and name it M.O.A.C.C, Mastering Online Art Certificate Course. They come to Instagram and they will name it something like Mastering Online Course. They come to another platform. Now you need to make sure that your name, even your email you are using, the number you are using, if possible, even the pictures you are using in all of our social media platform, they are what aligning with your business goal and they are consistent. All right, all over across the platform. Audience want to know that whatever they are seeing in Facebook is also the same thing they are seeing in, you understand, in YouTube. They don't want to come to Facebook and see that you are posting about what you teach in Facebook, but what you are teaching there is video editing. Now you don't come in YouTube and you are teaching video editing and also social media management. They will be confused. They will be like, is this where I am? Is this where I'm supposed to be? Okay, so in this topic, I'll be diving right into my phone right now and I'll be teaching you on Facebook how to set your Facebook account, making sure that every image, every visual appealing image is professional and informative all around your Facebook, your Instagram and your WhatsApp. Now finally, I will now teach on how to set and optimize your YouTube channel. For those of you that will be talking about different type of that will want to be teaching about what you have learned or want to open a YouTube account or maybe a Facebook account or an Instagram account. So these are ways that you set it up. Make sure it's optimizable, make sure it's appealing, make sure it's professional. The information are consistent all over each social media platform. So I'll be teaching only Facebook, Instagram, then YouTube. All right, these are what I'll be teaching. Then let's dive right into the class in my phone. So pay attention as we walk. Okay, we are now in my phone. So I'm sorry because I am in the bush. in one of my sites where I'm working. So let's just dive right into it and create a Facebook account. Alright, so you need to actually create all these social media platforms. Now let's go to Facebook. I will click on that icon there, Facebook. Alright, so after we click on the icon, we go right into Facebook. So I'm already logged into this account with Digitech World. Alright, the co-founder, the main founder of M.O.A.C.C. So let's go to that menu there and we click on it, and then since I'm logged into this account, I need to log out so as to create a new account. So we are going to click on log out. So it is visible there. The moment you click on log out, it will take you to another different dialog box. So you say you want to log out, you click on yes. So these are all my accounts in this particular Facebook app. So you see the different profile page. This is not a Facebook page, it's called profile page. Then you click on create new account. Click on create new account. So I've clicked on it. So now I am ready to start. So you follow the procedures and you do all that things you know that you should do. So in this aspect it says what is your name. So you put in your own name. You are creating a profile account or a profile Facebook page. Alright, this is your own profile. You are not creating a business page. Okay, so Facebook have upgraded over years. So unlike before, they will say create a Facebook account, but now they now have a way of saying Facebook profile page is now different from your Facebook business page. So you add your age, add every other thing you need to add. All right, your date of birth, if it is 1994, if it is 1995, add your own date of birth, and please let it actually correspond with what the date of birth you have in your NIN, the date of birth you have in your whatsoever you're doing. Let it be corresponding. Okay, let your name actually correspond, because when you want to now run Facebook ads, they will not say, okay, the name you put in your Facebook is this, but the name I'm seeing in the Facebook ads or the Facebook business portfolio is another different thing. So your name must be consistent in all platforms. This goes a long way to show your client that you are trustworthy and consistent. So you do every necessary thing. You add up your password. Okay, I'm just creating this for this education purpose. This is not actually my main account for M.O.A.C.C. So you save your login info and then you click on I agree. Alright, you must click on I agree to the Facebook policy. Okay, we are almost done, so let's just keep following. And if this value helps you a lot, make sure you like, you share, you comment M.O.A.C.C. in the comment section, and then you click on the notification bell button and then subscribe. Okay, so let's wait for network to do its thing. Alright, so they will send us a code. Facebook will send a code to the number you added in your when creating this Facebook profile. So you copy the code, and then when you go to WhatsApp, you copy the code that they will send you. It's a 6-digit code. Alright, you copy this code and then you head back to Facebook. After copying the code in WhatsApp, you go directly to Facebook and then impute it in the part where you need to put it. So it says enter the confirmation code. So you copy it there and paste it there. Then you click on the blue button over there to continue. Alright, follow this step carefully. Alright, I know I'm very fast. After this video, because of I don't want this video to be very long, so I've decided to create separate videos for different accounts, for different social media platforms. Alright, so I'm about to add my my image. Now this is where optimization comes in. Okay, when creating your account, what are you creating it for? All right, what are the description of your account? Okay, you need to be consistent. All right, you cannot come to your to this particular account and put M.O.A.C.C, Mastering Online Art Certificate course, and then you go to Instagram and what you will see there is Mastering Online Digital course. It is confusing. Algorithm of Facebook, we get confused. All right, so they are trying to know what you are standing, what your brand is standing for, what is the main purpose of this guy creating a Facebook profile page or a Facebook business page. Okay, so after creating all this, you now select your consistent image. All right, so before creating all this this Facebook and whatever you want to create, you have already made or you have already created this image. Okay, so Canva does it a lot. Okay, you can use Canva, you can use CorelDRAW, you can use Photoshop to design a nice catchy visual image. All right, so now you apply it there. So you see I've applied it there and I've clicked on OK, and then so I'm trying to be consistent in everything I'm doing. All right, I'm trying to be consistent in everything I'm doing. Okay, so you move forward. Facebook is telling you welcome, and it's telling you that you should upload your contact info. You can skip this or you can click on not now if you want. So I'm just doing all this setting. So let me say a few stuff. So when you're setting all this, you make sure you set it properly. All right, like I was saying before, I'm going to be creating a lot of videos on this social platform: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and then maybe I'll add TikTok. All right, so I'm going to be creating videos on it. So it's going to be a series. This model 2 is going to be a series. Okay, it's going to be a series, so follow it gradually. I'm going to be teaching you how to optimize how to create, optimize, and manage your Facebook page and other platforms that I just listed now. Okay, and everything you need to know, but I cannot congest them in a full video. It's going to be bored and you get tired of watching the video. Okay, but what I'm going to be doing is to make sure I break it down. So the next video I'm going to be making will be proper way of creating and optimizing your Facebook page. All right, that's what I'll be doing next. Then after that, I'm going to be teaching on claiming your Facebook account, the settings you need to do so as people will not use your content and you will not know that they are using your content. Okay, so and then after that, I'm going to teach on every other settings you need to do to make sure your Facebook profile page and your Facebook page stand out. Okay, that's what I'm going to be teaching. So I'm going to be having like 5 videos on Facebook and everything it needs before diving to Instagram, then before diving. So just know that this module 2 will be a series. Okay, so I've added my Facebook profile image, then I've added my Facebook cover photo. If you see there down, is the cover photo is where you add a kind of event. All right, it may not necessarily be about the event of the program or the event or a program you are hosting in your stuff. So with all this said, let's jump right into the course we are in and learn what we are supposed to learn. Now that we are back, let me now define what is claiming social media profile. Alright, claiming social media profile prevent competitors or other entities from using your brand name. It involves verifying ownership of the account through platform specific method and such as receiving verification code or uploading document. Okay, now let me explain something. When I first started M.O.A.C.C, somebody was already using M.O.A.C.C as a name. I was so surprised because I went into several form of search, several form of and I told myself that I need a name that nobody is using. But now somebody is using it. But to the glory of God, the person that is actually using it is using it for, in fact, it's a total different person. It's not even in Nigeria, it's another different country. Okay, the person is using it for food stuff or that. So whenever you go to YouTube and search MOAC, M-O-A-C-C, Mastering Online Art Certificate Course, the first thing you just see me there, and you see subscribe there, and you have to subscribe, of course. Okay, so that is just that. Now, when you now go to the social medium platform or medium that MOAC is concerned with, you now notice that they are consistent all over. Okay, whenever I'm changing anything in Facebook, I'm also changing it in YouTube and all that. So you need to be consistent so that nobody will use your brand name and do what and post. You will not know that they post, but they can actually be getting money, getting something from your brand, receiving money from your brand. Like, I will not forget one of my friends that started the YouTube channel. He now use exploit comedy. Okay, use exploit comedy and create and use their content to do what? To create a content with his own channel, and got a lot of revenue and money, almost like $500 to $600. Now exploit comedy now noticed and now sue him. He now had to refund $200 to exploit comedy before they opened the account for him in YouTube. Now these are what you need to do. You need to claim, you need to do everything you need to do so that no competitor or anyhow random person will now come and take your brand and take your name. Now, examples of claiming and branding. Now, for example, a business called Urban Style should secure usernames like at Urban Style Official across all platforms to ensure consistency and prevent confusion. Alright? Now, example of claiming: by verifying the profile with a badge, like for example, blue check mark on Instagram or Facebook, then add credibility. Okay, example of creating again. Now, if you're answering, let's just say you're answering freebie class in Facebook, please be answering freebie class in YouTube. Be answering freebie class in, let the name be consistent. You may add other things with the name, but please let the name be consistent. Don't answer freebie class in Facebook, then you come to YouTube and answer freebie class action or free whatever. But just make sure you are consistent in everything you are doing. Now, the key takeaway to what you'll be learning is: ensure your brand is consistently repeated across platforms by creating and claiming profile on all relevant social media platforms. Okay, make sure you are doing this all the time. Make sure you're doing this all the time. Don't fail to make sure that it is running in every platform consistently. All right. Now, I'll be teaching you a very crucial and important techniques I use in creating and optimizing professional, visual appealing, informative, and description that will align with brand goals. I'll be giving you a trick, what you need to do just by using one AI tool. And if you follow me carefully, I'll be teaching it in another class. Please follow the class carefully, and you will learn how to use that AI tool to optimize and discover, increase engagement, improve discoverability, and build trust with your audience just by using that AI tool. Thank you very much. My name is Kevin, and this is M.O.A.C.